Hello everyone, Lynn here. Welcome to my channel. I have a new junk journal that's available in my Etsy shop. This is a hardcover and it is Floriography, which is the language of flowers. I love all things Victorian, and I know some of you probably already know this, but the Victorians were really into and basically created the language of flowers. They would give small bouquets, little tussy-mussies, nosegays, that kind of thing, to communicate using the flowers. They would carry around little language of flowers dictionaries, and so that is the theme of this journal. It is another hand-painted cover that I've distressed and sealed, and then I used a couple of images with Art Nouveau florals for the covers. A little book plate. Oh, I didn't grab something. Oh, there we go. This is open if you want to stick something in over that, your name or the date. So we've got a couple of different blues around the top and bottom edge. I've added some lace, and there's a little bit of cheesecloth poking out. Done a bit of sewing. It is very feminine journal. Left all the tails. It measures just about 6 inches wide by 8 3/4 inches tall, with a little bit more for the lace overhang, and then a 2-inch spine. I haven't counted the pages, but that will all be in the Etsy listing. The closure, I have a crinkly blue seam binding and a vintage lace together. I love this journal so much. And right inside the inside cover is a lace pocket, and then a little Latin vocabulary card, flashcard, lots of little journaling cards, and everything is tea-dyed and grungy. Oh, here's a little wooden postcard charm. And most of the digital printables are from the Graphics Fairy. Here's a little, just a little mini journal. And some Victorian ladies. Some seam binding on the edge there. And this folds out. This is a flip out here, but then when it folds out, there is a, whoops, you can tuck some stuff under the lace. Got a couple little, this is a double journaling tag there. Some vintage ledger, violet, loyalty and devotion. Some pages from The Secret Garden. Here's some leaf trim that I put through. Several Edith Holden pages in here too, because, I mean, of course, Edith Holden. Here's an upper tuck with another. So a lot of the flowers I did put what they mean, but some I just included, and then you guys can look them up. Oh, there is a website. It's the letter A, Victorian.com. I'll put the link down below. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, that's where I found a lot of the language of flowers information. But I'll put that down below for you. This is from a book of Victorian ladies, and then I just created a little collage, and it's an envelope that flips out. Paper clip with some seam binding, and here's another little mini journal with some lace. Mini journal. Here, this is some sari ribbon, and then a little bit of bling and a little heart charm on a garment pin. Pink carnation. Music pages, of course. Lily of the Valley, which is one of my favorites. Sweet and Purity. And The Secret Garden. Lots of journaling. Here's the pocket with another of the Victorian ladies. Butterfly and a little grungy tea-dyed envelope with a journaling tag inside. You could fit more in there. Tuck something else away. The sunflower, adoration. And I love these images of the little, the Victorian hand with a little bouquet. There's just a few things clipped on here. A tag with some lace, a postcard, and then a book page from a little vintage wildflower book. Here's a belly band. Some velvet ribbon and some lace. Pages from Emily Dickinson. Here we have just a little secret journaling spot under flip up of fabric. And more Edith Holden. Just wanted a lot of pretty things to inspire you. Crocus, Youthful Gladness. Here we have a little flip out with a couple more Victorian ladies. And this little piece of a table runner, and then it's a pocket with just some tea-dyed scrapbook paper in there. You could tuck the whole thing away too and hide it under there. Queen Victoria, and some more of the sari ribbon. Journaling card tag there with a pocket. And here we have some herbs: rosemary, lemon balm, and lavender. I have a little gardening book with just some beautiful images in it. The zinnia. And I included, I think it's just one piece, well, 2 pages, but a piece of graph paper, because if you do have a garden, you can do a little bit of garden planning on the graph paper. Music, a tea-dyed paper doily. This is some of my favorite paper, and I'm almost out. And it was from, I think it was from just a ring-bound journal, and I think I got it at Barnes & Noble, so I may have to head over there because I really love this paper. It's nice and thick, and it gets really nice and grungy. And I like the holes, so I like to tuck stuff in there as well. So I may have to go see if I can find another one of those journals. It's a little journaling spot in vintage music paper. A little pocket here. Chrysanthemum, cheerfulness, and a little journaling tag there with a paper doily. Another one of the Victorian hands. And I edged and distressed ink things if they weren't tea-dyed. Here's some more herbs: thyme, dill, fennel. And another pretty little image. Some ledger. Some grungy pink seam binding. Goldenrod, encouragement and good fortune. This is a big flip out there. A little bit of floral trim through the bottom there. And another Edith Holden. This is a cute image from the Secret Garden book that I have. And ferns, sincerity, humility, magic, and bonds of love. And I love ferns, so anytime I can include them. Here we just have a couple little tucks on the outside here. And then another little tag, double tag there. And a little grungy envelope with a tiny little journaling card. Iris is a message. Some ivory velvet and some lace and a little bulb pin with a butterfly charm there. And some more Victorian ladies. Another clip here with some seam binding and a couple more journaling tags and cards. This is another iris. Whoops. The aster is a symbol of love. Dictionary page with some flowers in there. And another Art Nouveau floral image. Just love that. Love that style. And of course the rose. Red rose love, pink rose happiness. This is like a resist. When I tea dyed, I laid the paper doily on top. Love that. Here is a lace flip up with another flip out and lovely Victorian lady there. And the white rose, purity and heavenly. Yellow rose, friendship and affection. Pocket here with a couple more. I added some grungy crocheted lace on that and a nice rose image there. Tons of journaling space. Here's some other lovely ladies. I wanted to include images of the women that had blue in it to go with the cover. And here we have a journaling card and another page from the Wildflower book. And a little bit of lace on the back with some green velvet ribbon. And another lace pocket here. We got a little teeny tiny, I don't know if you guys can even see it, little blue key on a pin there. And another journaling tag there. And this is an Edith Holden page that I turned into an envelope with some sari ribbon and some crocheted lace. And then there's just a couple of journaling card and just another little image you could journal on or use to embellish a page. Love that envelope. And that just tucks in the back here, my little mockingbird stamp. And so that is it. I hope you like it. Thank you so much, everyone, for taking the time to watch. I hope everybody's doing well. Please subscribe if you liked it and leave any questions and comments down below. And I have a quick sneak peek of my next journal that I'm working on. I just want to show you this fabric I got at a little sewing shop near me. I am so in love with it. Wander. So this should be done in the next day or two, and I'll come back on and show you this one. I'm trying to go with some neutral nature images with pops of color and lots of greens in this one. So that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care. See you again real soon. Bye.